Hi there. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to speed up your Windows 11 PC in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Disable unnecessary startup apps. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Startup Apps tab. Here you'll see a list of programs that launch when your PC starts. Disable the ones you don't need by right-clicking and selecting Disable. Step 2. Clear those junk files. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog box. Type %temp% and hit Enter. This opens the folder with all your temporary files. Select everything by pressing Ctrl+A, then hit Delete. Step 3. Optimize your power settings. Go to Settings, then System and select Power and Battery. Under Power Mode, choose Best Performance. This ensures your PC uses its full potential for speed and performance. If you're on a laptop, make sure you're plugged in to avoid draining the battery too fast. With these 3 quick steps, your Windows 11 PC should feel faster and more responsive. Try them out and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.